Alright guys, welcome to another video. I guess you guys know what this is. This is my basement greenhouse. It's November, it's still warm outside. But, you know I take care of my plants. I brought everything in. Pineapple. I'm soaking some sugar cane in there because I'm planning to grow sugar cane next year. I just want them to bud. As soon as they bud, I learned from humble servant what to do. I can put them in the ground, but I just got to make sure I cover them and they stay warm. Fever grass, guinep, I gotta separate them. I've been saying it for years, right? Guava. Oh, this guava tree did real good this year. Had some nice guava from this tree. June plum. Still got June plum coming. Papaya way up in the ceiling. This white June guava, I still haven't got nothing from it. Okay. Over here. Which one is this? Which one is this? Julie. Julie mango tree. Pushing beautifully. Look at it. Barbados cherry, that means it's a Jamaican cherry tree. Over there, pimento, our Jamaican apple tree. Back there I have, what is back there, sir? Lime or lemon, one of them. I gotta look. Over here is, oh God. Okay, those are the tangerine. This is the lime tree. As you know, this is the famous avocado. Star fruit. Growing ginger in there. This is a push. It had blossom last year, well this year. This is the East Indian. I had to call some people in Florida and find out why I didn't get anything from it, and they told me what to do. So the Julie, Dwarf Julie. See, this is Dwarf Julie. I had this for like 3 years. It pushed and blossomed last year, had mango on it. So I called, find out why my mangoes keep falling off, and they told me it needs vitamin B. Got that. Don't worry. So again, this year, you see this? You see how it looks? See how it looks? Leaves are down. Needs water. See? Needs water. All the leaves that I pick off, drop it right back in. So, like I said, new year, new inside greenhouse. I use these lights. It keeps it warm, not hot. This is again my little sanctuary. I just gave away a couple of suckers from that. This, I thought it was dead, but new one coming out. And this is my sanctuary. Keep you guys updated. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.